We are the foundation school of the Anglican Schools Commission, so the oldest of a number of schools right across the country, and we are distinctly Anglican and proud of that. We explore our Anglican identity through a series of pillars: faith, reason, worship, inclusion, character and service, features of our school, and the offerings we give our students and families, which we believe make us distinctly Anglican. I'm really proud that we offer our students a broad range of opportunities to step into their future.
We have a very broad curriculum in terms of specialist lessons.
We like to integrate all the subjects together so that they're not learning something in isolation, but they put it into practice.
It's really important to have the pastoral care structures that support them socially and emotionally as they develop.
The way you manage your learning, structure your lessons, the way you teach them to walk around the school, the way you teach them to engage with one another.
There is a real generosity of spirit with staff. They have a real passion for their learning areas, and you see that in their lessons.
We are inspired by several different philosophies and approaches to learning, and putting it together in a special way at St Mark's to make it really fit our community and our families really sets us apart from other schools.
We're here to help students get that backpack full of skills that will help them through the future. I would believe that every single Year 12 student leaving us has somewhere to go. They're on track with their dream.